So guys, Ninja Floki is back on the chart for one of the biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap today. I was checking through the biggest gainers and I saw Ninja Floki back on the chart. I've done a lot of videos on Ninja Floki. I think I've done one or two, not a lot anyway. But right now, Ninja Floki is 920.37%. I don't know if this is a glitch. I don't know if this is a genuine pump or whatever. But because I see that Ninja Floki is doing massive numbers, I'm sure a lot of people will be rushing. They want to quickly buy this token. Look out, this is exactly what I'm saying. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. People are rushing to buy the token. Once people just see a token pumping, they don't want to do any review, they just want to buy, and that is where I come in. I just quickly do review, I check, and I give information out there for anybody that cares to listen to tell you whether the token is safe or not. Now, Ninja Floki is supposed to be a game token. Yeah, it is a game token actually. It said a gaming based passive income generating crypto, right? And 3% of the token is distributed to the holders in BUSD, which makes it a reward token. So you get 3% in a stable coin BUSD, and they said the distribution is automatically allocated to the Ninja ratio depending on the quantity you are holding. And now they said their roadmap is not specified when they'll be releasing the game. However, this token has 100 billion supply, right? And then they said the holders can win token by playing the games, which means it is a play to earn kind of token. I'm going to stop here. I don't want this video to be too long. I want this to be very fast because I've done a review on Ninja Floki before in the past. So from what I can get here, they have 6,287 people that have invested in this token and over 11,000 on the watch list on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, guys, the market cap of Ninja token at the time of recording this video is currently $618,000, which is very low. This is less than $1 million. $618,000, and the liquidity is actually $68,000. Now the issue I have with Ninja token, to be honest with you guys, is that I've done a video in the past and some people have commented and they were saying that they had difficulty selling the token or something like that. But from what I can see on this poolcoin.app, like any place you see the red button is a place for sell, when you see green is buy. A lot of people have sold off this token successfully from what I can see on poolcoin.app. A lot of people have been able to sell. I don't know how they do it. Maybe they adjust their slippage tolerance. So guys, if you are watching my video and you have bought this token, I've been able to sell, leave a comment so that people that are having difficulty can actually see if they can sell. Then the last thing I'm going to do is to just check if this token is safe to invest. If I go to token sniffer, you can see that this is Ninja token, Ninja Floki, NJF. Anything I say here is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research because cryptocurrency is a very risky form of investment. Now, on token sniffer, you see that the smell test after auditing this token, automatic audit, is scored 75/100, which is actually very high. For me reviewing token on token sniffer, it is rare to see a token score 75/100. The buy and sell fee is 9%. The contract source is verified. The ownership is not renounced. This is the only issue here. The owners still have influence over this token because ownership is not renounced. The owner wallet contains less than 5%, which is 0%. No other wallet contains up to 5% of this token. There's adequate liquidity. Everything looks good from token sniffer. If I go to another tool to verify, from BS check, is almost the same thing. The number of holders 6,000 plus. Buy fee and sell fee 9%. The developer wallet looks safe, unlike the one I reviewed yesterday, SpongeBob, that was having a lot of red flags. The ownership is not renounced, which is almost the same thing with token sniffer. There's adequate liquidity and nobody is holding more than 5%. The particular wallet address is holding exactly 5%, but then you now have one holding 3.9, 3.72%. If you add all this together, I think these three wallet addresses could be holding up to like 15% of this token. Anyway, guys, from what I've seen so far, this token looks like a token that is safe to invest, in my opinion. Please make sure you leave a comment so that others can learn if you have any problem with this particular cryptocurrency. So far, this token doesn't have utility, but then a lot of people will be investing in this token to make fast money. We call it pump and dump scheme, and that is just one of those things people do in cryptocurrency, especially with meme tokens. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting update, interesting review, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.